Felicity Solar has been established for 17 years. We have always been committed to providing high-quality products and excellent after-sales service. On-site maintenance service is a value-added service that we carefully create for our customers. We have set up repair centers in several countries. You can search Felicity Solar on Google Maps to find your nearest repair center if the repair center is too far away from you. Please follow the steps below to contact a third-party engineer who works with Felicity Solar to provide on-site maintenance services. Method 1. Find the after-sales staff directly via WhatsApp or a mail. Method 2. Go to our official website and submit your information at the bottom right. We will reply to you within 24 hours after receiving your information and decide whether to give online guidance or send technicians to the door for inspection according to different circumstances. Felicity Solar After Sales On-Site Maintenance Service Steps. First, download the FSolar app. Second, click Main after login. Third, click Service Maintenance. Fourth, click the small icon of Repair Tool in the upper right corner. Fill in the SN code, product subject, details of the problems and pictures of breakdown machines. Then submit. The after-sales staff will contact you as soon as possible after receiving the demand. Depending on the type of machine fault, we will decide whether to guide maintenance online or send technicians to repair door-to-door. We will contact you within 24 hours. If you need door-to-door service, technicians will bring the necessary tools and equipment. Pay attention. There's no charge for accessories of Felicity Solar products. Besides, you may charge a certain service fee to the third-party maintenance personnel. We believe that Felicity Solar on-site repair service will bring you a more convenient and comfortable experience. If you have any questions or need to make an appointment for on-site repair service, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your support and trust on Felicity Solar Company all the time. We will continue to work hard to provide you with better service.